In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word lagging. If Microsoft Word is running slowly, freezing, or taking too long to respond when you're typing or editing a document, there are a couple of things you can try to improve its performance. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check for Microsoft Office updates and repair the Office installation using the built-in Windows tools. For the first method, start by opening Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click File. This will open the Backstage menu where you can access different Word settings and account options. From here, look toward the bottom left corner and click Account. This will take you to the Account section, where you can manage your Microsoft Office information and update settings. Once you're in the Account section, locate Update Options and click it. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Update Now. Microsoft Office will begin checking for available updates and will update the software if a newer version is available. Make sure Microsoft Office is fully up to date, as updates can include performance improvements and fixes for problems that may cause Microsoft Word to lag. Once the update process is complete, check Microsoft Word again to see if the performance has improved. If Microsoft Word is still lagging, move on to the second method. This time, use the Windows search feature and type Add Programs. Select the appropriate option from the search results to open the installed application settings. Once you're in the Applications section, look through the list until you find Microsoft Office. You may need to scroll down to locate it. When you find Microsoft Office, click the three-dot menu next to it and select Modify. Windows may ask you to confirm the action. If a confirmation window appears, click Yes to continue. A Microsoft Office repair window will now appear. Start with the Quick Repair option. Select Quick Repair and then click Repair. Windows will begin checking the Office installation and repairing any issues it finds. Once the repair is complete, check Microsoft Word again to see if the lagging problem has been resolved. If Microsoft Word is still lagging after the quick repair, return to the repair options and select Online Repair instead. Then click Repair to begin the process. This performs a more thorough repair of Microsoft Office and can resolve problems that the quick repair option does not fix. After the repair process is finished, open Microsoft Word again and check its performance. And that's how to fix Microsoft Word lagging by updating Microsoft Office and repairing the Office installation. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,